That's right. And if you want to learn how to install a Minn Kota trolling motor professionally, well, I suggest you go to YouTube and probably learn how to do it, or go to a professional, because I am not, and this might be a complete show. But what we're going to do today is to save a couple $100. I'm going to install this trolling motor probably with a buddy of mine, and nothing is going to go wrong at all. I mean, it's going to go flawlessly. So from here we can splice into me cursing and screaming and kicking and hating my life for saving a couple $100. But I am balling on a budget. So ran into a good deal on a trolling motor through one of my good buddies from work, and was able to get it. So let's take a look. So we have the Minn Kota Terrova. It is 60-inch shaft, 24-volt, 80-pound thrust. Very excited. I got the mounting bracket. We're going to connect those with toggle bolt connectors. We got the motor plug that we're going to have to take these and connect them, and then be able to plug it in so I can release it and take it off of off the boat when I'm not using it, stored in the garage. We got everything we need here. We got the puck that's going to connect with the GPS. Got this nice remote that I'm looking forward to. We got this cable that I think this is for the One Network, which I have a Garmin. That would be for a Hummingbird, so I'm not going to be using that. All the bolts necessary, directions. Who needs those? And I'm going to do this inboard battery charger. So we got the NOCO Genius. This is a 3-bank charger, and then we have the outlet plug that's going to allow me to just come home and plug right into the center of my console, so we can charge this up whenever I'm not using it. So I got the 3-bank so I could charge my starting battery and then my 2 trolling motor batteries all at once. Speaking of batteries, like I said, balling on the budget. We went to AutoZone, got the Duralast. These are deep cycle batteries. Both are 12-volt, 31 group. And luckily for me, we're going to be putting this on my Carolina skiff. This is the 178 JLS. And luckily for me, this boat came with all pre-wired, so I don't have to run any wires. It should just be plug and play. I think my biggest concern is drilling into the boat and not messing up, which I've been known to do. But I got this boat so I can install everything myself. I can learn as I go, so you can learn with me. Alright, so first we're going to install the quick release bracket. This is completely as we go, so I have no clue truly what I'm doing. Here's nuts and bolts that come with it. Look pretty long. Directions? Who needs directions? There's a quick release, so this will sit flat on the boat. Whenever you're ready to take your trolling motor off, pull the quick release and so Oh. So it comes with longer bolts and shorter bolts. Shorter bolts are going to be for this. Longer bolts are for mounting it to the boat. So you need, right? Oh yeah, be a tight fit, but it'll make it work. I know everybody probably has an easier way to do this, but like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't know about this.
So take the positive off first and then the ground.
Alright, now that that's done, oh, I got my helper here doing the batteries. He is a licensed electrician. Just kidding. But he might shock himself.
It's not the size for
Not the size for that. Pretty thing, huh? Look at that. That's good.
heavy. I'm not kidding.
Wow.
How you want this mounted? I don't even know if you have a space for it.
Yeah, you gotta look. I'm picturing up against the front, but that could go. It could literally go anywhere.
I'm seeing if there is anywhere to mount it because it's heavy. Oh, here's the screws.
How big are they? They're self-tapping screws at least. Throw it back in the box.
Mike, I don't want to drill into your boat.
No, I will. But if there's space.
I don't even know where to put it. Like, the only place would be like...
Yeah, we can do that. Alright. Since this has come basically meant to be hardwired into the boat, I had to purchase this plug. I'll try to put everything in the description of all the products used. We're going to take this and turn it into a plug. So watch this. I think we are good to go. So now from what was to what is. the cicadas. So I need to mount it so this is not over this, so we don't catch it on stuff. It's just gonna be open this hatch whenever we run the
You just stand it up.
Yeah.
Over. Not over. You got plenty of room to go back to.
No, I need. Then the other part is I need this to be a half an inch past the railing. Like something like that. Just like that. Easy as that. One we were a little worried about. Ended up being one of the easier ones. Genius. Ain't going nowhere. Underneath it's starting to poke out a little bit. We did 5200 to seal it so no unnecessary water goes in those holes. And I also did anti-seize on the bolts, which actually made it really easy to put those in. Kind of surprised how easy this project's gone. Alright, plugged in. Oh, did that thing beep too?
No, it's powered off.
Alright, this should be blinking blue. No? Yep, it is. So I need to pair it somehow.
Probably using what I'm holding.
Let's see. No, I don't think it's that. Oh, you push it up here, I remember. There. Alright, now it's blinking blue. Maybe I waited too long. Oh, hold it in. Now it's paired. Further. I'm really surprised we didn't have any bigger issues than we had. Alright, so to test it, I guess I gotta turn it on, or do I just power? Warning, you are responsible for safe. Let's remove this. I doubt it's touchscreen, so
That's the center button.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, there it is. So if I turn it on, alright, cool. So then I could turn it down. I just don't want to hit the trailer, so I'm being careful. That's pretty cool. So if I'm doing, so if I turn it off at that speed, when I turn it back on, yep, it will be the same speed. Anchor. Alright, calm down, calm down. Alright, I think that's enough playing for now. Power off. Goodbye. What do you think? How do you think it went?
Not too bad. Ready for some flounder?
Yeah. Next video we'll have to go in the water and test it out. Alright. Well, if you even watched, thanks for watching. If not, I doubt you learned anything anyways, so moral of the story, have a professional put it in. Save some blood, sweat, and tears. See ya.